guys, and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of February. I'm going to talk a little bit about some life things, a little bit of complaining about my day. So if you don't care about that stuff, I will put a timestamp for where the unboxing part of the video begins. So let me tell you, this was not the video that I planned to do today. It is Friday after work right now, so basically I'm going to film this, edit it, and then post it tonight because I try to put a video up on Fridays. I had a very different idea of what I was going to film tonight, but that was going to take a lot more preparation. I'll probably film that over the weekend and post it next week. But I just got home and man, it's been a day. Some of you may have, if you watched a previous Chatty Get Ready With Me, remember that I mentioned that I'm going on a course for work for next week, and that is happening next week. So this week was busy in getting ready to not be at work for a week, especially today. So I was already at work probably about an hour past when I would usually stay until, which already on a Friday is, you know, taking some time. But where you live, do you get freezing rain? Because freezing rain is the worst kind of weather. And we had freezing rain all afternoon today. So I came out of work and I walk into work, and I'm lucky enough that the walk into work and the walk home from work is between like 15 and 20 minutes. And the walk into work is usually the least pleasant part of the walk because, first of all, it's early in the morning, so I'm trying to get there on time, but it's all uphill, and certain parts of it are fairly steep uphill, and that's fine because the walk home is usually lovely and all downhill and nice and relaxing, except when everything is coated in ice. And if you don't live somewhere where there is freezing rain, it basically turns every surface into solid, incredibly slippery ice. It happens when the temperatures are around 0. So it's that kind of slippery ice where it's also like just a little bit melty. So it is just absolutely sheer. And none of the sidewalks have been salted or anything. So I just spent over half an hour slowly shuffling my feet down ice. And it's one thing if you're going on a flat surface on ice, but downhill you can't keep control of yourself. So I was holding on to everything around me and it was just terrifying. So all of that to say, when I got home, I was thrilled to see that my Boxycharm box had arrived. And I thought, oh, thank God, it's like a little present for myself. And also it is like the 23rd or the 24th today. Boxycharm is getting really late in making its way to me, and their tracking codes don't work anymore. So I never really have an idea of when it's coming. For the last about 2, maybe 3 months, it's been that way. But I wanted to sit down and do an unboxing, quite honestly, because unboxings are, if not one of the most fun videos, which they are really fun, they are definitely the easiest videos to film. Don't let anybody ever tell you otherwise. Unboxings are the videos that you can sit down and film with like no preparation because all you're doing is reacting to things. And that's what I feel like doing right now on a Friday afternoon. So this may not be super exciting. I don't know. Maybe you guys have seen what's in here already because I think they are already posting spoilers for next month's Boxycharm. But I have managed to avoid all spoilers, so this is going to be just a huge surprise for me. So I'm gonna open this up. What I'm going to do is also give sort of a ranking out of 5 about how excited I am for the product, just because sometimes things are exciting, sometimes they aren't. And this feels lighter than usual this month. So I'm gonna get my scissors and break into it. Okay, so without looking at any of the products and without looking at the back of this, because I don't want to spoil it, the theme is Galaxy Glow. So I'm gonna say maybe there are things that are really colorful. I'm also not going to look at whatever this coupon is here. I'm going to put that behind me because that tends to be a brand that's in the box. So let's see. I'm actually not going to look in. I'm going to look in the viewfinder and grab things this way. Oh, that's something big. Oh, those feel like brushes. Okay, so it is a 3-piece Pro Brush Trio from Crown, white with the pink on the ends there. So it looks like we have a basically sort of fluffy shader brush, some kind of tapered powder brush, and they do feel nice and soft, and then a smaller sort of blending tapered, not tapered, that's not tapered, but a smaller brush. So let me say my thoughts about this. All of my makeup brushes have come from subscription boxes, so I'm thrilled that they send us these kinds of brushes. And you know what? These ones are a little bit unique. I was going to say that I'm getting really tired of getting these flat shader brushes, but this one is a little bit bigger and, you know, it's okay. I used a lot of them, so having more when they get dirty is always good. This, I mean, I guess, oh, there's some dust and stuff coming out of there. What would this be for? I guess for contouring. I mean, that would sort of, you know, give you a nice tip to have control, but also blendability. I don't think I would use it for blush because there's that weird tip on it there. Maybe highlight, but I'm actually looking at this thinking this would be a nice highlight brush. And this is actually quite nice. I don't have a brush like this in my collection. So I'd say overall, I mean, these weren't things that I was dying without, and, you know, they don't look like, well, I'm gonna have to see about the quality when I start playing around with them, but I would say these are like a level 3 out of 5 kind of excitement about getting these in my box. You can always use more brushes. And you know, the pink, I don't love the white, but the pink is kind of cute. And I'm gonna tell you afterwards how much they're supposed to cost because I don't wanna look at that until I'm done seeing everything in the box. So instead of holding the box up, I'm just reaching back. This feels like lipstick. Let's see if I'm right. Oh. Maybe? No, this is Cover FX Shimmer Veil. So this is a pearlescent cream, perfect for eyelids, but can be used anywhere you want a veil of shimmer. That sounds excellent. Oh my goodness, that is like purple, pink reflex in there. Okay, we're gonna have to do a swatch. Ooh, oh, that is really shimmery and pretty. Like, look at how reflective that is. That's gonna be fun to play around with. I'll definitely be doing a review on this. This is like 5 out of 5. That is a really cool product, something I don't have anything like, and it's a good brand, and I'm looking forward to playing around with it. Ooh, still a purple left on my finger. Yes, exciting. Love this, and it fits with the Galaxy theme. Reaching back once again, I've got something that feels like a lip liner or an eyeliner. Oh, and the top came off, so that's fun. So I recognize this, yeah, Jessica Liebskind. I've had products from them before. Smoky Eye Pencil in Jet Black. I'm gonna be careful with just putting this down, and then I'll go searching around for the lid because I don't wanna be spoiled. You know what? I'm gonna say this is like a 1 out of 5. I have a lot of black eyeliner. This looks like maybe not a full size. Not that that really matters because I never go through these things. I mean, a black pencil is a black pencil. I have a number of them. I'll definitely try it and see if it's exciting enough to give you any feedback on, or if I just throw it into a get ready with me at some point. So yeah, not my favorite, but hey, that's okay. Reaching back again, what does this feel like? Maybe a liquid lipstick? No, this is from Pure. Oh, Exfo Lips. Plumping Lip Exfoliator. Oh. Not a lot of scent to it that I can tell, but that's exciting. It smells maybe a little minty. It's hard to tell right now, but that seems like an interesting product. This I'm gonna give like a 5 out of 5. I don't have any plumping lip products, and a plumping exfoliator sounds like something that needs to be tested. So I'm definitely gonna play around with this and do a review on it. Excellent. And finally, I've got something that very much feels like a palette. And, oh, Naked Cosmetics. Where do I know them from? What do I have that's from Naked Cosmetics? I'm gonna have to go back and see. Okay, so is it an eyeshadow palette? Holographic highlighter collection. Okay, so it's a 6-pan palette. Let's do some swatches here. This is just the top row. I'm not gonna swatch all of it. I just wanna do a little bit and see. Ooh, that one over there looks interesting. Yeah, okay, I'm definitely gonna play around with this. Funny how I never had any kind of like highlights that weren't, you know, gold or white or that kind of thing. And between the Estate highlighter that I already did a review on, I'll link that down below, and this palette, now I've got all kinds of funky highlight shades. So just because I don't know if I'm really somebody in my day-to-day life who's going to wear a lot of holographic highlights, I'm gonna say this is like 4 out of 4 in terms of how excited I am to get it. But overall, very happy with this months. That is all. In my last Boxycharm, if you watch my unboxing, I received 6 items. Turns out I shouldn't have gotten that eyeliner there from Makeup Geek. It wasn't listed on my card, so I guess that was sort of a bonus item that somebody accidentally dropped in the box. So if you like these unboxings, because I don't do them all the time, I just do them if I really want to sit down and share this experience with you, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below about what you got in your box, what you like, what you're excited about. I do respond to every comment that I get. When my life gets a bit busy, it sometimes takes me a couple days to respond, but I do respond to every comment. If you want to subscribe to my channel and spend some more time together, click right here. If you want to watch my other videos, I'll put one right there. I'm going to go, well, I already have my pajama pants on. I'm gonna go order myself some food for dinner and relax. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.